Understanding wick types and sizes. Welcome to the fascinating world of wicks. These little wonders might seem insignificant, but they play a critical role in the performance and beauty of your candles. In this comprehensive lesson, we'll delve into the different types of wicks, explore the science behind wick sizing, and equip you with the knowledge to choose the perfect wick for your creations. The wick, a pillar of candle performance. Imagine a candle burning brightly. The silent hero behind this mesmerizing flame? The wick. It acts as a tiny pump, drawing melted wax upwards and feeding it to the flame. Choosing the right wick size and type ensures your candle burns cleanly, evenly, and delivers a delightful fragrance experience. Exploring the wick landscape, common types. The world of wicks offers a variety of options, each with its own characteristics. Braided wicks, the reliable champions. These are the undisputed kings of the wick kingdom. Made from interwoven cotton threads of varying thicknesses, braided wicks offer excellent burning performance and are the most commonly used type. Here's a closer look. Benefits: reliable burning, readily available in various thicknesses for different candle sizes and wax types. Drawbacks: may require slight adjustments in size depending on the wax and container. Understanding braided wick thickness. Thin braided wicks, ideal for small votive candles or tea lights with narrow diameters. Medium braided wicks, perfect for standard container candles with a medium diameter. Thick braided wicks, these heavy-duty wicks are suitable for larger container candles with wider diameters. Flat wicks, spreading the flame. Flat wicks consist of multiple cotton strands laid flat and secured together. They're ideal for container candles with a wide surface area, as the flat profile allows for even wax melt pool distribution. Square braided wicks, a modern twist. Offering the familiar reliability of braided wicks with a modern aesthetic, square braided wicks have a square profile. They add a clean and contemporary touch to container candles. Paper core wicks, innovation meets performance. These innovative wicks feature a paper core surrounded by cotton threads. The paper core helps the wick stand tall and burn cleanly, making them a good choice for container candles with deeper wax pools. The science of wick sizing, finding the perfect match. Choosing the right wick size is crucial for achieving optimal burning. It's like finding the Goldilocks zone, not too small, not too large, but just right. Here's why wick size matters. Wax matters. Different waxes have varying burning characteristics. Soy wax, for example, generally requires a slightly larger wick compared to paraffin wax due to its slower burn rate. Container size matters too. The diameter of your container plays a significant role in wick selection. A wick that's too small for a large container won't melt enough wax, leading to tunneling, uneven burning where the wax melts only around the wick, leaving unmelted wax along the edges. Conversely, a wick that's too large for a small container can cause the candle to burn hot and smoky. Understanding wax pool diameter. The ideal wick size should create a wax pool that melts evenly across the entire diameter of your container during burning. This ensures optimal scent throw and avoids tunneling. Candle science in action, calculating wick size. There are various methods for calculating a starting point for your wick size. Here's a simple approach. 1. Measure your container diameter. Measure the inner diameter of your container in millimeters. 2. Consult wick sizing charts. Many wax suppliers and candle-making resource websites provide wick sizing charts. These charts recommend wick sizes based on container diameter and wax type. Find a chart relevant to your chosen wax. 3. Start with a recommended size. Use the chart to find a recommended wick size range for your container diameter and wax type. Choose a size within this range as a starting point for your testing. Remember, wick sizing charts are a helpful starting point, but experimentation is key. The next lesson will delve into the importance of wick testing, helping you fine-tune your wick selection for flawless burning and a beautiful candle experience. Beyond the basics, additional considerations. Fragrance oil. Stronger fragrance oils may require a slightly larger wick to ensure proper scent throw. The fragrance oil can affect the burning characteristics of the wax, so a wick that works perfectly for unscented wax might need to be adjusted for a scented candle. Dye. Adding dye to your wax can also influence burning. Dyes can sometimes clog the wick fibers, so it's recommended to test a wick with dyed wax to ensure optimal performance. Container material. The material of your container can also play a role. Metal containers conduct heat more efficiently than glass containers, so you might need a slightly smaller wick for a metal container compared to a glass container of the same size. Draft factors. If your candles will be burned in drafty environments, you might need a slightly larger wick to compensate for the air movement that can extinguish a smaller flame. The importance of wick testing, the key to success. Now that you've explored wick types, sizing considerations, and additional factors, it's time for the real magic, experimentation. Wick testing is crucial for achieving the perfect burn for your specific candle creation. Here's why. Wax variations. Even within the same wax type, slight variations can occur. Testing ensures you find the ideal wick size for your specific batch of wax. Unique container materials. If you're using a unique container material, testing helps identify any wick size adjustments needed for optimal burning. Fine-tuning performance. Testing allows you to refine your wick selection for a perfect wax pool diameter, even burning, and optimal fragrance throw. How to conduct a wick test. Make small test candles. Pour a small amount of wax into several tins or heat-resistant containers. Vary the wick size. Use a different wick size in each test candle, selecting sizes within the recommended range for your container diameter and wax type. Light and observe. Light each test candle and observe how it burns. The ideal wick will create a steady flame that melts the wax pool evenly across the surface without flickering excessively or causing soot. Document your findings. Record your observations for each test candle. This will help you determine the wick size that delivers the best burning performance for your specific candle creation. Remember, don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't perfect. Wick testing is an iterative process, and with each test, you'll gain valuable knowledge and refine your candle making skills. The final word: confidence and exploration. By understanding the different wick types, the science behind wick sizing, and the importance of wick testing, you've taken a significant step towards mastering the art of wick selection. As you embark on your candle making journey, embrace experimentation. Don't be afraid to try different wick sizes and combinations to discover what works best for your unique creations. With confidence and a touch of scientific exploration, you'll be selecting the perfect wick for every candle you craft. This concludes Lesson 1 on understanding wick types and sizes. In the next lesson, we'll delve deeper into the world of fragrance oils and essential oils, exploring their properties and safe handling practices for crafting beautiful and fragrant candles.